and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to talk a little bit about the different types of oils that we use in DIYs. Now some of you might have already noticed that not all the oil works with your hair. Sometimes it makes your hair feel extra dry and frizzy, or some of the oils make your hair feel heavy and it causes a lot of buildup. Now the reason for this is that not everyone's hair is the same. Everyone has different hair types and different hair porosities. Now if you don't know what hair porosity is or how to determine your own hair porosity, I'm going to link two videos right here for you to watch straight after this. So last year I did make a video talking about what is hair porosity, how does it influence your hair growth and overall hair health. Now your hair porosity is also going to help you determine what products you can and cannot use, or which oils you need to use more of and which oils to use less of. Now one of the videos that I did last year is I've also made a video how to test your own hair porosity. There's a few different methods, but you guys can go watch it straight after this video. Now we're going to start off with the first oil that everyone, well almost everyone use in their hair care routine, and that is coconut oil. Now if you had to go and ask anyone on the streets what is their favorite hair growth oil, the number one oil everyone is always going to mention is coconut oil. Everyone always recommends coconut oil, but it doesn't work for all hair porosities or hair types, including mine. Now usually when I use coconut oil, I have to use it with another oil. If I just use coconut oil alone on my hair, it does tend to dry out my hair a lot and it makes it extra and super frizzy. Now people with fine and shiny hair actually do reap a lot of benefits of coconut oil, but people with coarse and dry hair actually, it's more of a 50-50 thing, and you have to see if your hair is going to like it or not. So for instance with me, if I use it and I don't mix it with other oils, my hair does come down to extra frizzy and extra dry. Now when I say I cannot use coconut oil alone, I do not say that I'm not going to use it at all. I do mix it in with other oils to make sure that I still get some of the properties of coconut oil, because coconut oil is actually so full of goodness for your hair. You don't want to eliminate that option completely. Now this oil is actually very good as a moisturizing treatment. It's also very good for dry and itchy scalp. And if you have dandruff, that is also a solution to look at because it has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. The next oil we're going to look at is the amazing olive oil. Now olive oil is high in fatty acids and it's a much more heavier oil than coconut oil. So people with low porosity hair that's prone to build up, I would suggest that this oil needs to be used in moderate amounts. Now once again guys, don't eliminate this oil from your hair care routine. It still has a lot of benefits, and if you use it in moderate amounts and you also use it in conjunction with other oils, you will still be able to have the properties of that oil. This oil has a high antioxidant content. It also prevents your hair from cell damage, and sometimes it improves the overall quality of your hair. Next on my list is going to be castor oil. Now this is one of my favorite oils to use, especially on the ends. Now as you already know, this oil is actually a much thicker and a much heavier oil. So the people with, I can say low porosity hair or whose hair is prone to build up needs to be extra careful with this, especially when it comes to your roots. You will notice that when I do use castor oil in my DIYs and I'm going to put it on my roots, I only use a small amount. I don't use a lot at all because it's a very thick oil and trying to get that out of your hair is going to be next to impossible, especially for the people prone to build up. Now this oil is lovely to use, especially on your ends, because it is so moisturizing. It also has a lot of antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it leaves your hair very soft, moisturized and healthy. Now the last oil on my list is going to be sweet almond oil. Now this is a great oil. It is easily absorbed into your hair without clogging your hair shaft. Now this oil is especially great for people with low porosity hair. Like I said, it doesn't clog up your hair pores and it doesn't really cause buildup. It is filled with vitamin E, potassium and zinc. It is also loaded with a lot of fatty acids, which is great for moisture retention. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Now if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Now I would really like to know what is your favorite oil, so please do leave it down in the comments below. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!